Karnes is watching the forecast, and there's a lot to talk about.
Yeah, a lot going on. We've got the heat, we've got the thunderstorms that are starting to quiet down in most spots, but we have this one area that just flared up in parts of Bradley and Hamilton County, so we'll take a look at that. The storms that move through McMinn County and Bradley County now moving off to the east, and we have a number of just pesky little storms that continue to pop up. This I would define as more than pesky. It is just sitting there dumping rain near Ooltewah, Collegedale, Appomattox, over to Drake Forest, Royal Oaks, if you're familiar with those areas. That is where the heaviest rain, the strongest lightning is falling, or is flashing rather, and these areas of purple indicate where we may be getting hail with this cluster of storms that really isn't moving that much. It's just kind of sitting there. This is called the hail swath. This shows where hail has likely fallen already within this storm. So we know that this is a hail producer, especially near Ooltewah, Collegedale, Appomattox. So this, as it does drift eastward very, very slowly, it is going to continue to have that potential. 6:18, the severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 6:45. I also have a product called the shear swath. This can show where all of these highlighted areas, the lighter, brighter green, that's where we have potentially some of the strongest winds, and I would suspect we have wind speeds about 60 miles per hour within this storm. So hail, lightning, torrential rain, strong wind gusts, all a recipe for an absolute mess. Extending out, you can see where we also have some rain, but nothing like that in parts of North Georgia. Drifting eastward, little spot of heavy rain up around Jasper as well. And look at some of the rainfall totals. I'll just rattle them off. 0.7, here's a 1.5 inches near McMinn County, 1.1, 1.2. Parts of the Sequatchie Valley have seen more than an inch as well, and then other spots, not a drop of rain. Okay, real quick, we'll talk about potential tropical cyclone 6. This will likely later tonight or tomorrow be Tropical Storm Fred, moving west-northwest at 17 miles per hour. It'll take it a while to get going and increase in intensity because of its interaction with land, but as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico, it's going to strengthen over the weekend, 60-mile-per-hour winds, and it most likely will make landfall with this current track late in the day on Sunday and could impact our weather here in the Tennessee Valley, but that is way too far in the future to be able to tell reliably how it would impact us. 91 Chattanooga, 86 in Cleveland. Look at the heat index. It feels like 100 in the Scenic City. Got up to 93 at the airport in Chattanooga. The average high is 90. 3/4 of an inch of rain in Riceville up in Spring City. Got up to 92 in Athens. 1/2 inch of rain in Dayton. 95 in Delano. Got up to 92 North Chat. 95 in Red Bank. Chatsworth 97 and 95 in Somerville. Vipercast quieting us down tonight into the overnight, and then tomorrow we'll do it again. Rain chance 30 to 40% each afternoon. Highs in the low 90s with the heat index near 100 each day. David?